This one, I'm going to quickly show you some Ethereum news, what I'm seeing Ethereum is doing. And for Ethereum, currently, I think more than looking at Ethereum, you have to look at the DeFi sector of Ethereum, because Ethereum the price has been driving up because of a lot of DeFi utility, right? Decentralized finance utility. And as you can see, I mean, we've had a big dip in the DeFi. And that brings me back to a particular situation where Ethereum fees are so high currently that a lot of the projects are now going to Binance Coin. And if you remember, I mentioned Pancake. So, you know, Uniswap and all the big boys are actually running on what do you call this? On Ethereum blockchain, and they're having a bit of a problem. So a lot of the people are now, because of fees, moving over to Binance Chain and using PancakeSwap. So this is the reason why Pancake has been moving up gradually, slowly, just moving up, right? Currently it's a little bit down, so that's a bit of a discount. But it is competing against the likes of Uniswap, which is technically the #1 DeFi. But this is what's going on. So you just have to understand, sometimes you got to look into other projects and see what's going on. So today you can see the #1 is Maker, Aave, Compound, Curve. So, you know, who's got what, basically, who's, like, you know, in that sense on DeFi posts where they're falling. And also if you look at Uniswap, it's just here. There's no Binance Chain. They're all DeFi. They're all Ethereum. As you can see here, Ethereum. And what they are, it will point out here. All right, so as you can see, when it comes to it's quite funny actually. So Uniswap just got beaten by Curve Finance, which is pretty interesting. Anyway, so we're gonna go to the charts and have a look and see. So earlier on today, I also posted on Twitter that Ethereum is showing something quite funny, you know, so I just pointed and said something very interesting happening. You can see that it looked like a W, right, and it looked like it was going to break above, and it did break above. Funnily, this was a green candle, but then it flipped over. The market didn't want to, and it broke below this ascending triangle, basically a symmetrical triangle, you can call it. So it's created a brand new channel right now, and we just got to look and see what direction this channel is pointing. So let's just draw a line and see what this channel looks like. So far what I can see from the channel itself, just by looking at the body and looking at this particular hour, right, this is actually quite bearish. So again, I mean, so far, if you remember a few days back, I mentioned how Ethereum is in a channel, in an ascending wedge channel, which is quite bearish, and it played out exactly. So this was bearish, it played out bearish. Obviously Ethereum doesn't, you know, it doesn't follow the rules. That's one thing I have to mention. But yeah, I mean, so far it looks bullish, but it's, you know, it just looks, it's kind of, I would say, undecisive. I wouldn't really put it into anything else, but I'm looking at the hourly. If I put it onto a daily, it definitely looks undecisive. So let's have a look. Yeah, so as you can see, we're not deciding yet, I mean, whether we want to go up or down. So far it looks like we're going down, but then I think it's still following the same formula or same kind of pattern as Bitcoin. If you look carefully, it is definitely following Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's down, it is down, and I think this could also last another week as well and move into the end of the following week. So until Sunday, let's have a look and see what happens. So Sunday, I think this is going to be the one that you know, we'll make a decision whether we are going to stay red or we're going to turn into green. So other than that, that's about it. I mean, this is what we're expecting, right? Also on the market capitalization, if you look carefully, we're actually at 1.5 trillion at the present moment. So the market has taken a little bit of a dive, but very small percentage. But then when you're talking into trillions, 0.19 in trillions is a lot of money as well. And then looking at the so for example, we were 1 trillion away here, and here we're actually, so we were just above 1 trillion here, and we dropped currently like almost 77 billion. And here we were at 220 billion, and we've come to 180. So comparatively, Ethereum's dropped proportionately a lot more than Bitcoin has, and it had its problems, like Kraken exchange and everything had its problems. But these guys, I mean, this guy, he hasn't dropped much, right? If you look carefully, so Binance was at 45 billion, currently it's come to 38 billion, so just lost 7 billion. Has it got the potential to grow? Absolutely. So I'm looking at this one. This is the one I'm keeping my eyes on at this present moment. Also Cardano as well, I'm keeping my eyes on them too. So if I see another dip, I'll probably pick up some, but other than that, you know, so far they look very good, because these are definitely trying to compete with Ethereum, and they're going to definitely take some market share currently with all the problem that's going on. Other than that, guys, that's it. This is going to be a short one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you see, then please like, share, subscribe, and I hope to catch you on another one. So until then, stay safe, stay cryptic, and buy the dips, buy the dips. I'll see you later. Take care, guys. Bye.